Hello everyone, my name is Maria Kanke and I am doing my presentation on post-traumatic stress disorder. Post-traumatic stress disorder, also known as PTSD for short, is an illness that occurs after someone is exposed to a stressful event that was of threatening nature to the individual. A stressful event can be a natural disaster, a serious accident, war, rape, or other violent personal assaults. Like any other illness, PTSD can affect an individual in many different domains. In the social domain, an individual will show signs of hostility, agitation, self-destructive behavior, or social isolation. Psychologically, the person will have flashbacks, vivid memories, or recurring dreams of the traumatic event where they constantly relive their experience. Emotional, they will show signs of anxiety or depression. Physiological, they will have irritability, lack of concentration, insomnia, and even increased startle reactions. Individuals who suffer from PTSD have persistent feelings of anger, guilt, shame, horror, or loneliness. These individuals also suffer from depression and feel detachment from family, friends, or work. It is important to have these individuals overcome these feelings by acknowledging that the trauma has happened and acknowledge the changes it has created in them and in their life. By doing so, they will be able to confront the trauma and the stress will be less each day. Cartoon design is a form of art therapy that is used to treat a variety of illnesses. It is designed for all ages and can be in large, small, or one-to-one groups. The therapy consists of different materials like paper, canvases, paint, crayons, markers, etc., anything that you can draw with. Clients will be able to express their thoughts and feelings through this form of art. So you may be wondering, how does cartoon design help with PTSD? Clients who suffer from PTSD are known to have mood swings or be depressed along with many other symptoms, and cartoon design can help shift those feelings. In a case study done by Gordana Mandikajik, a 33-year-old war veteran showed significant improvement with his mood as well as his relationship with his child. Kajik finalizes her study by stating that the art group therapy could help war veterans to identify problematic interpersonal functioning and illustrate treatment response for each person through a series of drawings. So basically, with art therapy, the person gets to express themselves, gets to expose certain feelings that they may have hidden. They are also able to confront their reality of the event or trauma that happened to them. It has been shown that art therapy helps individuals with PTSD. Because of it, I decided to create an activity analysis called Cartoons Are Cool. This activity will be done in a small group setting of 6 to 8 participants. Preferably, I would choose a round table or tables where I could set together so that the group can be together all in one place. The goal of this activity will be for the client to externalize past experiences or flashbacks, and they will be able to share with the group the feelings associated with that drawing. The group will listen and share back if they want. This way, they are able to express what they're holding inside with others that have gone through the same thing or similar scenarios. The materials we will use will be a large drawing paper, watercolors, and paintbrushes. PTSD does not necessarily impair or restrict a person from drawing. In a scenario where a certain color may trigger a client, it would be brought up to the treating psychologist's attention, and it will be his choice if they want the color to remain in the activity or if I should remove it.